Has everyone been enjoying binge eating and drinking during the New Year vacation? Try these protein-packed bowls with winter vegetables for a healthy meal. The first one is pork daikon bowl. For winter vegetable, we will use daikon and green onions. Daikon can be eaten throughout the year, but its season is winter, and winter daikon is especially delicious. Daikon can be made into various dishes such as pickles, salad, stir-fried, and so on, but I think they taste best cooked tender and soaked up the broth thoroughly. Today we will boil it in a special tasty broth. To also enjoy the texture, cut it thickly like this. It's a good idea to cut a slit like this to allow the flavor to soak in easily. Since daikon take time to cook them in the microwave for 4 minutes in advance. Green onions are also a winter vegetable. Like daikon, when cooked in broth, it becomes tender and super tasty. As it's stewed with the meat, add slices of ginger to remove the smell. Today we will use pork fillet, which has recently become a staple in our home. It's also delicious with pork belly or pork loin. After removing the daikon from the microwave, add the daikon with its juice to the pot. Add water, sugar, and mirin. I heard that sweet seasonings take time to soak in, so I put them in first. But you could add the seasonings in any order. Bring the boil and then add the meat. Add ginger, green onion, sake, and soy sauce. Turn meat over and bring the boil. Once boiling, remove any scum that floats to the surface. Then simmer for 10 minutes. Remove some of the broth during the process and soak the boiled eggs in it. After about 10 minutes, flip the eggs halfway through. The daikon becomes so tender that it almost crumbles, and the pork soaks up the flavor and looks delicious. This alone is delicious, but we want to make a thick sauce, so we transfer some of the broth to the pan. Bring the boil. Dissolve about half teaspoon of potato starch in water and place in a fry pan. It may be easier to mix the water-salt potato starch with this soup before it comes to a boil. Stir quickly, and when the mixture thickens like this, it's ready. You can also pour a little soup on top without thickening. The vegetable, eggs, and meat soak up the flavor and go extremely well with the rice. Eat it with plenty of sauce. Next one is chicken and broccoli addictive bowl. First, grate the ginger and garlic to make the sauce. You may reduce or increase these amounts as you wish. Let's make the sauce here. Put soy sauce, mirin, oyster sauce, grated garlic, and ginger. I forgot to add sugar here and put it in at the end. Next, the ingredients are prepared. Lotus root Daikon is a very good food with a great crunchy texture and is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber. If you do not have a lotus root, substitute potatoes or carrots. Any shape will do, but I cut them into large pieces for better texture. Broccoli is another winter vegetable that is full of vitamins and fiber. When I run in the winter, I see a lot of broccoli in the fields in my neighborhood. The protein in this bowl is chicken. It's also delicious when made with thick fried tofu, atsage. Sprinkle a light dusting of salt and pepper on small pieces of chicken. And dust with potato starch. I tried to use mini strainer to sprinkle a thin layer of potato starch, but the powder came out all at once. This time, sprinkle the vegetable with potato starch as well. Put the vegetable and a small amount of potato starch in a bag and shake it like this to coat the potato starch well. Do not add a large amount all at once, but add a small amount of potato starch, and if it's not enough, add a little at a time as you shake it. Apply a thin coating of potato starch like this. Add a little oil and cook the chicken first. Cook for about 3 minutes on each side to brown. By the way, this chicken is made with skinless side, but of course it's recommended to use skin on and cook until the skin is crispy. Once the chicken is done cooking, remove it from the pan. Add a little oil. Cook the vegetable. There is not enough oil, so I added some more. The lotus root takes quite a while to cook, and the broccoli gets brown first. Remove the broccoli once. Cook the lotus root until lightly brown as well. Return chicken and broccoli to the pan. Add the sauce. And stir fry over high heat while tossing the ingredients with the sauce. I realized I had not added sugar, so I added it here. Adjust the amount of sugar to taste. It's good to taste and add a little at a time. While editing the video, I thought it would be delicious topped with the yolk or fried egg. The seasoning goes well with rice so much, and you get plenty of vegetable in this bowl. Try this addictive sauce on your favorite meat and vegetables. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.